Hey there, welcome to the Funny Farm. I went to work today at my nursing job and there was a basket of gifts for the nurses. And so, I had to come home and plant something because I got some new seeds. I'm excited about this. They had a bowl of these, each one with its own packet of seeds on it. And the one that I picked out is a new plant I've never grown to me. It's called the toothache plant. This is from Survival Garden Seeds. This is a member of the daisy family, native to Brazil. It's also called the buzz button, the electric daisy, the Szechuan button, and it will grow perennial, zones 9 through 11, and up north you can grow in any grow zone, but you have to bring it in the winters if you want to keep it. I poured some of these seeds out so you can see how teeny tiny they are. I just thought this was the coolest gift idea for like gardening friends or whatever. As nurses, we have a lot of families trying to express their appreciation to us, but usually they're bringing us sugar, cookies, chocolate, donuts. I think the nurses should be fat and sassy. I think that's what they think. But I thought this was just a really cool, different kind of gift. I looked these up on the internet, and from what it says, you can eat both the leaves or the flower buds fresh, and they have like a numbing sensation on the mouth for like canker sores, cold sores, toothaches. You can also dry the flowers, and you can also make a tincture with 100% vodka. So I may also try making a tincture. Also read online that these are used for old lady creams for relaxing muscles and tightening skin. So I don't know, maybe we might try and make a salve too. Just seems like a fun plant to play with. These need to be planted and kept moist. And these are like the celery. They need to be surface sown, not buried in soil. So we're just going to sprinkle them on the top and keep these moist till they come up. I can't wait to see how these turn out. And then, while I was at it, I can't just plant one thing. I have to do a whole tray of things. So I actually found I do have some more pineapple tomato seeds. I found in one of my medicine bottles of seeds. So I am going to plant just 4 pineapples. I'm going to plant a few cayenne peppers. I do have 2 cayenne pepper plants overwintering in the house. So far they're still alive, but they're looking a little sad. So just in case they don't make it, I do want some of these because I use these to dry for my chili seasoning and cayenne pepper. Also going to plant a few Big Jim chilies. That's what these look like right here. This is an heirloom chili. It says grows 7 to 8 inches long, and the record on this is actually 13 inches. Superior yield. So this is our first time trying these. I'm going to plant a few. And then I also had not yet planted my jalapenos. Use a lot of these for making salsa. So I got 12 pots of jalapenos going here as well. I was so excited about this. I'm planting. I still got my lab coat and my scrubs on and my name tag. Happy planting, you guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.